Hey yo, this mic is working. Also, thanks for 4,600 subscriber. Appreciate it. I'm very happy to it. And let's try to get 5,000. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Hello, my name is Alimo and I'm going to answer your question. To be honest, I thought that I'm going to get 10 to 20 questions. I only get 5. Fucking fuck, it is okay. And before we start, sorry if my English is bad because it's not my real language. My real language is
Oh Allah the Almighty.
No kiss before marriage.
and I'm not going to make another video like this because you know what. The first question is from Brain Alvarez. No bro, I'm not going to read this. Who inspired you to make video? Well, it's two channels, Straw and Khalid as Eco, and of course my mother.
No cap on that one.
Barnington say, why do you choose a name Alimo? Do you think of other name? Well, no, because Alimo is the best name that has come to my mind because the first name was El Moni. Yeah, I know, it's really stupid name, I know. Who is your favorite YouTuber? Is Khalid as Eco. Fun San, and who joined our server Discord. So if you not join our Discord server, please join for no reason. What is your dream? My dream is to be the best Arabic YouTuber, and this dream, it will not be dream, it will be real one day. Are you lazy? Yeah, I'm very lazy. Who like train like me? I don't like train. At the same time, I don't hate them. Yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you like it and enjoy it, and I think you don't.